it's me, Josh, and welcome to Cooking with Josh. Today, we're going to show you how to make some of my delicious yellow rice. And here's how we're going to start off with these directions on some of the ingredients. And after the ingredients, we're going to tell you what to do for the directions. Let's begin. To make this yellow rice, you need to have a pot like this. And turn on your oven at high degree, somewhere around 6 or 5. Anyways, to the ingredients you need here, what you need is pink salt, some turmeric, garlic powder, coconut oil, two cups of rice, and some water. You have to make sure it is 4 cups, and it has to be 2 cups 2 times. So, and once you have, make sure that you have the lid to make sure you have the rice over it. And that's how we're going to begin. We're going to turn on the rice at the high temperature of 6 or 5. Then pour the water like this. And what you need is another set, and you need another 2 cups right here. Just get some water and just pour it until you reach the measurement of 16 ounces or 2 cups. Then after that, pour that second 2 cups into the pot to make sure it is there. And then if you want sure that the water is bubbling, to make sure that the water is bubbling, just put on the lid on top of it. Bubbles start coming out of the pan. Take the 2 cups of rice and pour it in like this. Then take this spoon, it's a metal spoon, and stir it around like this. Like this. Then while you're doing that, pour some coconut oil on the metal spoon. That should be about this amount. Should be at this amount of oil you need. Then pour it onto the pan and stir it like this. And that's how you do it. So you're gonna want to pour the salt like this, and depends on how much you put in it. Then once you put the amount of salt in your spoon, you'll want to put it in your pan and stir it around like this. This will have the salt take the water and it'll devour. And to make sure that you have it correctly, you can put a little bit more salt on it. And make sure you have this spoon. This spoon, tablespoon, will give you the taste, to make sure that it is perfect or not. And if you want to add, and make sure to add turmeric to that, because it gives you that yellow flavor. You pour it in. It depends on how much you want to put it. If you don't, then just leave it there. But if you wanted to get a lot of the yellow flavor, you could put a lot, whether it is. But it depends how much flavor you want in it. And make sure you stir it. Make sure that the turmeric is stirred in the water of this pot. And if you put too much, make sure to lower that down with some garlic powder, so it tastes much better with this. And to make sure, use the spoon again that you had before and taste it. Make sure that your taste is perfect when you do your rice or yellow rice or whatever rice you want to do. So you pour something from the pan and pour it on the spoon like this. And then if the water is so hot, make sure to blow on it like this and taste it. Like I said, if it tastes like that, make sure that you have salt. Make sure to pour more salt on it, like this. Do the same thing what you did before, and then put extra on it, so it could get more taste and more flavor on it. So if you want to add seasoning to your rice, make sure you have Italian seasoning, and you pour it in like this, and it should just so you could get the amount of flavor you want. And depending on the salt you want for your rice, it could be any salt you want, but mostly get pink salt because it's professionally healthy for you. So when the rice is like this, make sure you lower the temperature of the oven, and then make sure that the water evaporates very quickly until it's all gone. And then when it's done evaporating, put the lid on it to lower the evaporating the water. So when the water evaporates, make sure to set a timer for 20 minutes, and you should be good to go. By lowering the temperature and at 3 or 2. It's been 20 minutes, and this is what your rice should look like. And if you want to put Italian seasoning on it, it's optional. It's just my way of using it, but it doesn't matter what you want. You could put Italian seasoning or not, whatever, it's your choice. So to take the rice out, you have to get a spoon and just pour it into your plate like this. So this is the rice all finished, and you can put anything else with this rice. Basically, I like mine plain, or sometimes with chicken or anything else. You could put beans, vegetables, meat, anything you want. And just letting you know, so I hope you liked this cooking tutorial. The next cooking tutorial will be on pizza. Make sure to subscribe, the button that's right here on this video, and like the video, comment down below. Oh yeah, and share this video with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, whatever is on your phone or any device. I hope you guys liked this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.